At the beginning of the month, we have 3 animals. And by the end of the month, that will have doubled. So 3 times 2 is 6 at end of first month. Okay, and then what happens? The next month, you have 3 times 2 at the beginning, but by the end of the month, you have doubled, so multiplied by 2. And what that is 3 times 2 squared. And we're at end of second month, and we have an exponent of 2. So look at the pattern. By the time we get to the end of the 10th month, end of 10th, it'll be 3 times 2 to the 10th. And that is D.